Buenos días, chicos.
She's vlogging.
It's day 3 in New York City.
Is it day 3?
Yeah, it's day 3 already. Yesterday was day 2.
Wow. It feels like we were here like
We've been here for only 2 or 3 days now, starting today. And I feel like we have done so many things and feels like a whole entire week already. But today we're gonna go see the Statue of Liberty, right?
Liberty.
La
libertad, nena. La nena muy linda, la nena
la muchacha.
La muchacha.
That's like this.
La muchacha.
La señora. I know, we got here on time. We thought we were not gonna make it, but we got some fruit and now we're just waiting to go on the boat. Vamos! Vamos! Oh, look at the boat.
Okay.
Look at her. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Isn't she crazy? Damn, bro, we're actually watching.
¿Confió en mí, Abby?
Yep.
No. Y yo la de pepperoni no era.
Yep, pepperoni con queso.
Obvio, con queso.
No, pero había the mozzarella, cosa esa, grande.
Oye, esa limonada se mira muy buena.
Right now we get one, yeah? I'll buy it. Bro, look at that thing. Oh my goodness, we're seeing it in person.
That lady? I'm not ready for it.
Why not? Crazy, crazy? How crazy? 10 from 10? She does look crazy, crazy.
She's a crazy woman. Look at her.
And just standing still.
She's standing like
Slay. But yeah, we're gonna be taking some pictures and then we're gonna go to Chinatown. So see you guys at Chinatown. We made it to Chinatown. It is pretty cool. Like, look at that. They have everything. It looks really nice. It's big. A lot of random foods. We're gonna go look for somewhere to eat and see what there is really. Dude, this is so big. It's big. It's huge. I'm telling you guys. For sure, you guys need to come to Chinatown. Look at that. It just keeps going and keeps going. It's insane. Ooh, boba. I want to try boba from here. Okay. We're here. Here. We just ordered our food. I got F4.
F4
What? M2? I got dumplings. She got soup with meat, with noodles, I don't know. Something like that. And we're gonna be showing you guys how it looks in person. I'm excited. We haven't eaten in the morning. It's already 1:11. So yeah, can't wait. I'm in a good time in New York City. Oh, can you scream a little bit? Alright. Oh.
Esos son los bloopers.
Yeah, the bloopers. Good?
Está bien bueno, ¿no? Parece pozole.
Wow.
Oh my god. It's so amazing, guys.
Wow.
Good, huh?
Right? It's a 10. It has to be a 10.
So good.
I'm telling you.
Baby insurance. It's so good.
Try it out, baby.
Caldito, I think it's the best part. The best part.
Oh
Wow.
my god.
Oh,
Good, huh?
that's fine.
Oigan, el lugar de al lado es una ice cream factory. Dicen que la tenemos que probar ahí.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm also doing
I got a matcha and cookies ice cream.
No, yo lo he equivocado, pero está bien.
¿A qué sabe?
Tastes like ube, like really fresh ube. No, era el cookies and cream de nosotros.
Sí.
Está bien, pruébalo. Está bueno.
What's your guys' rating?
Honestly, I think like 7. 7.
7?
7. It's pretty fresh.
Wow.
And all the people at work are
Hey, Jasmine.
good. Está fluffy. Está más fresh al otro. The cake, like soft. I don't know. It's like cheesecake in a way. Yeah.
No, we don't come to Chinatown.
Graba la Abby, graba la Abby. ¿Lista?
Oh, that's weird. Weird texture.
Yeah.
El que yo había probado
está diferente. Yeah, me too.
I like the other one better though.
Oh, I thought that's what you meant. Oh,
More?
I don't know what you want.
Yo quiero.
These are good.
¿Quieres?
Pretty good. I really like it.
Está bueno.
What do you guys rate this one?
Okay, 10.
10?
A 9.
I give that one an 8.5.
Esto con un vasito de leche.
Pero frío.
Pero frío.
Cold. Cucaracha.
Pues que digan, no, no te creo. Ah, no me crees.
Aquí tengo proof.
My patient
A ver, who gets in trouble now, huh? Oh,
Ah, ya debemos de
cucaracha. La Yasmin. That she's snitching on me all the time. And she's telling me, wait, mira, ahí va, ahí se va. Mira, mira, amá, mira. Amá,
que nos andaba echando de cabeza.
esa
Como
cucaracha. Nothing. We got it, baby. We
Te
got
dije,
it.
¿qué te dije? Saca la cámara porque va a haber proof.
Ahí está, ma. Mírala. No,
Sé que es
no.
muy New Yorker ya.
The first day. ¡Abre! ¡No cruces! ¡Abre! No, no, ahí está. Mira, mírala. take a picture of him doing it.
No va a salir por el flash.
So we're gonna try the ice cream and we're gonna rate them how good it is. Ready? I like mine a lot. I'm giving mine a 10. You?
8.
8? I recommend coming. I love it. I like this one. Jasmine, rate it.
I think I give this a 8.5.
8.5?
8.5. Yeah, 8.5.
Wait. What did you say?
Toma. Que le doy un 9.
No, you can't.
It was a 9.
Try it. Try it out.
You can't change rating. Once you
Okay.
get it, the first rating is your honest opinion. You can't
It
change
wasn't
it.
very no, I
You
never
can't change it.
tasted.
You can't change it. Those are not the rules.
Try it out. Try it out. Me and Phelan. What do you think?
Está rica, huh?
8.7.
8.7?
8.7. It's good.
Good, right?
I gave it an
8?
Right?
Yeah.
8. And for that one, this is like a 6. A 6? Yeah. Like, what is that?
It's good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be trying this pizza called John's Pizza, and we're gonna see if it's good or not. There's about a couple of people in front of us. I'm saying like a 30-minute wait time, but let's see how it is, and we will let you guys know if it's a good pizza shop for you to go. So we just got the pizza. We're gonna try it out. Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait. Todavía no.
So, where do we do? Oh,
Pretty good.
it's good. But Joe's is so good.
Really?
John's is better.
Look at the undercurrents.
It's good. Okay, we will have to rate it from 1 to 10, okay? Go, Fabian, you first.
A 9.
No? 8.5.
7.8.
I was going for a 7 too, but
Mind if I steal a kiss? A little souvenir. Can I steal it from you? To memorize the way you shock me, the way you move here. Just wanna feel it from you.
Hey, stop. Look and listen, baby. That's